So just a quick and slightly different video this week. I've sort of reached a YouTube milestone of 1,000 subscribers. So I just wanted to say thank you very much to everyone for subscribing. Now, I don't normally say things like that simply because I don't really like it when you go onto channels, YouTube channels, and the first thing that they say is, oh, please like and subscribe. I don't know, I just think that if people are interested in what I'm doing, then they'll subscribe, and if people like it, then they'll like. But if you could like it, it does help. So what I've done to sort of celebrate the 1,000 subscribers milestone is I bought a little lapel mic. I've had a few comments, more than a few, about the shoddy sound quality. So I've got one of these little things, and I'm going to test it out right now. Okay, so this is the very first time I'm using this thing, so you'll have to bear with me. It uses its own software, so it's a little bit, I've got to just get to grips with it. But I know that previously when I was using the microphone on the camera, when I'm turning away and mumbling away to myself like this, it gets a bit quiet. So I'm hoping now, I'm just kind of talking normally, when I'm, horrible noise, when I'm doing stuff like this, that it'll, the sound will be a bit better. I don't know how it'll pick up the ambient noise, because sometimes the extractor fan can be really noisy in the background. So let's just test that. Don't know how that sounds. We'll have a look, listen. But anyway, I think that's probably going to be it for today, because what I'm actually doing is I'm doing a little bit of practice joints on this, which is taking a little bit of time. I won't bother doing video on that, and I've got loads of customer things to do, so I've just got to get on with that just for today. But I'll be back on it next week. And just before I go, something that you might be interested in is that my brother's been part of a diving team that have found a German World War I submarine. It's one of the last remaining U-boats that has remained unfound, and they set out on this. It's a project been going on for about 5 years. I've not been able to say anything about it, but it's all been announced now. I'll put a link to the trailer for the film, the documentary, in the description to the video, and a quick picture up there. But I hasten to add, I haven't had anything to do with the project. My brother was part of the team. I did make a couple of little bits and bobs for them for the camera sleds and stuff, but nothing spectacular. You just might be interested in it. It's an interesting story.